Well, a healthy day of trades on Thursday as the Nifty advanced for the second straight day on the trot, although we were off the day as highs, no complaints at 11,834. For the Sensex as well, powering through 40k. Yes, that was a milestone that we managed to hit, and we ended up higher by 300 points at 40,182. The sure shot winner, without a doubt, was the IT basket. In fact, that index went home with a solid gain of 3% by the time we wound up. And your classic defenses definitely had a role to play. So you had pharmaceuticals, which was not too far behind, a 2.5% gain coming in. The Nifty Bank as well put on about 226 points today. And you had PSU banks as well as real estate, which contributed on the upside. On the flip side though, energy, media as well as FMCG, those indices just sat it out. The broader markets didn't quite see a performance at par with the frontliners, and it was quite flat in comparison, with the small caps not even managing to defend the green line. So declining for the second straight day on the trot. In terms of winners then, the day clearly belonged to IT. So that was the sector that shone through and through. You had Wipro, which stood out 7% by the time it wound up at 360. TCS was firmly in the green, and clearly, brokerage is loading the numbers. Very strong management commentary. Dollar revenues, PAT, all came in above what the street was expecting, and that stock closed in at 28.18, 3% higher. HCL Technologies, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, the entire cluster really was very active on the upside. Other than IT, you had Cipla, which held out. Something like HDFC Bank did quite well today. Divi's Laboratories, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, those kept the pharma sector alive. You had ICICI Bank in the green. Names like Nestle as well as HUL were buzzing. Airtel, Tata Steel, those were too active on the upside. On the flip side though, GAIL lost out today. Lots of fresh short positions being added, 3% lower. ONGC in the red. ITC at 167 is where it wound up. L&T was down and out. RIL didn't quite contribute today, so cooled its heels around 22.41. Power Grid, SBI Life, Bajaj Finance, Titan. Those were some of the other stocks within the broader universe, within the frontliners that were under pressure. Meantime, you had TCS, which was clearly the start of the day, but other than that, Bandhan Bank was a newsmaker. A strong Q2 performance. The investors clearly cheered the metrics on their deposit franchise as well as their collection efficiency. They say they are the fastest growing deposit franchise among the privates, and the collections have returned to 92% of the pre-COVID levels. Stocks at life highs then, and IT clearly contributed. So HCL Tech, L&T Info, Mphasis, Mindtree, Coforge, all of them contributing. Other stocks at life highs today included Loris Labs, Thyrocare, Aarti Drugs, Berger Paints, JK Cements. They all held out quite comfortably in the green. On the flip side though, you did have a number of losers as well within the broader markets, which included Advanced Enzymes, Deepak Nitrite, Vedanta, Metropolis, Mahindra Logistics, as well as Vinati Organics. But nonetheless, no complaints. Large caps clearly taking leadership. Now the next cue is going to be tomorrow's RBI monetary policy.